One of the hardest things in the world to do is to kind of stare at that blank sheet of paper, metaphorically of course, when you have to put together your own marketing campaigns for your products, whether that's on Amazon or eBay, Etsy, Shopify, no matter what it may be. The hardest thing in the world to do is look at that blank canvas, that blank screen, and get yourself started. So in this video, I'm going to show you some great examples of some Facebook advertising that you can draw inspiration from for your own Amazon marketing. Now, if you like this kind of content, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Every day we are releasing new things all around helping you make more money online. Also, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you've got something you want me to talk about, let me know in the comments below and I'll be sure to talk about that too. Okay, let's get into the video. So, I thought it'd be kind of neat in the interim to show you some cool stuff around Facebook, okay? So this is all about some great examples of Facebook marketing, and I think one of the smartest strategies that you can undertake as an Amazon entrepreneur is to take a look at what's working already and then modify and alter and get ideas from that particular thing so you can use it in your own business. Because for the majority of people who are not super creative, the hardest part is the first step. It's that, you know, it's a blank canvas, kind of like, where do you start? Okay, so I want to show you a couple of examples of really clever Facebook marketing so you can see what's going on. So this is some folks called Smarter Nutrition. They're based in the States. This is a high 7-figure Amazon and Shopify business. So they don't just sell on Amazon, they also sell on Shopify as well. They do a heap of really cool stuff. And yeah, so I thought it'd be kind of cool to show you some of the stuff that we do within that particular business. All right, so Smarter Nutrition, you can go check them out at smarternutrition.com, and you should. The Shopify site is really good. Split tested heaps of different things on that. Lots and lots of cool shit happening on that site as well. Okay, so how the hell do you start doing something like this? Anybody that says that Facebook advertising is too expensive, send to all, is just not doing it properly. So here is, so we've got a page transparency. This is how you do it for everybody. Okay, I'm going to show you here, but you do it for everybody. That's okay. You click on see all. Then you see that go to ads library. You want to click on that. And now you get to see all of their ads. Now, notice mine is set to Portugal because I'm here in Lisbon, and so I'm not going to get to see all their ads. And because I'm using I'm using Firefox for some reason, and it's a pain in the ass, the only way I get to see all their other ads is if I use my VPN. I don't want to set my VPN up for this for all sorts of different reasons, and so you'll just have to trust me. That's how you go look, and that's how you can go and see all their ads, okay? There are some ads here, but it's nothing compared to the number of ads that they're actually doing, all right? So instead, let me show you one of their ads that I prepared earlier when I did go and get my VPN set up, send to all. So this is called curcumin, okay? And it's a inflammation fighter that they have done extremely well with. Okay, so that is their advert that they have been running on Facebook for that particular product, and that links over to their product on, here it is, Smarter Nutrition. There it is there. Okay, so it links to their product there. They got all sorts of crazy stuff that is happening on their page. And this is also doing brand registry stuff, so that's some brand registered ads up there, okay? But this is, as a strategy, is a really, really good way of finding awesome ideas to kickstart your own marketing. Because again, one of the hardest things is just knowing where to start. So again, what you do, pretty simple. All I do is, if I'm looking for ideas, I don't just look at what's happening in one space. I look at what's happening in multiple different spaces. I typically go to Amazon. So here on Amazon, you search for the particular thing that you were looking to promote, curcumin supplements. And then I'd go to each of these individual brands. So that's NatureWise as a brand, that's Natural Factors as a brand, that's Schwartz as a brand, blah de blah de blah. I'd go to each of them. I'd go to their Facebook page. Once I arrived at their Facebook page, dunk, 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 I'd go to page transparency, dunk, like that. I go to the ads library. From here, you can then go and look at all the different ads they're running, and this will allow you to see what's working well. How do you know what's working well? Well, pretty easy. The ads that have been running the longest are the ads that ought to be doing the best, okay? If an advert has been running for some amount of time, that ought to suggest, hopefully these people are sophisticated, that the advert works, and therefore it's an advert you can get an idea from, okay? Super easy to do that. Oh, this one from, let's see if this comes, app at Advert Suite from Victoria. Doink. App. Why doesn't that work for me? There are some tools that I use as well to go and spy on all sorts of adverts, but they're all paid. Oh, okay. I don't really want to sign up for that, so, but that's that then. But they're all paid, and so this is just a really easy way of seeing the ads that are working for lots of different companies. Great way of getting some ideas, okay? Super cool way of doing it. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We've got over 2,000 members right here in Australia. Actually, we let a few folks in from other parts of the world as well. See how benevolent we are. We've got over 2,000 members. We're the fastest growing e-commerce community right now in Australia, with sales of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs and how we can help you set yourself financially free, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll see you next time.